we started a new video. I don't know if it caught it in the other video, but this is a leopard totem entity necklace. If leopard has come across your path, leopard is reminding you that there is always a period of rebirth after a period of suffering and death on some level. This big cat is the healer of the deep wounds. Sorry, 1 second. I just started getting emotional. Deep wounds and will bring old issues to resolution through the reclaiming of the power, or of power that was lost during the time of the wounding. He is reminding you that you have many resources and skills, capabilities, inner resources, and patterns available to you that will allow you to do a broad range of tasks at will. These resources can be physical, mental, psychic, emotional, and spiritual. Alternatively, this cat is letting you know that you need to accept your own spots and use them as your own strengths. I have to stop reading, but this... Wow. But this is literally describing me. Oops. And it's a pendulum medallion. And I'm going to put it on. Alright, carrying on. I didn't think that was gonna happen. I normally don't show my emotions for crap. So that was exciting. But on to the next. Oh, and here are candles. We got a red, pink, white, and a black candle, and a bunch of incense. The incense are right there, the little cones. They smell really good too. I smell really quick. And I'm running out of room. Ooh, it's kind of heavy. Oh, I guess we're gonna rip that way. I hope I didn't just crumple something up. Nope, okay. But I do believe this is a money candle. Road opening candle. This is an age-old recipe that has been passed down to me by my family. This candle is not your ordinary candle. It holds magical properties because of the combination of magical herbs and the powerful spell that is casted upon it. Soon you will start to see your life is enhanced. And the road to success has been opened. By the time the candle has finished, you should have seen great results. Also, when using magic, it is important to have faith. Believe in the magic and that it is working. Have faith. My grandma always said, if you fail to believe in magic, then the spell has died long before you have even casted it. It was even casted. My grandma was a Wiccan, high priestess, and a very wise woman. The incantation you say is right there. Repeating the incantation 3 times each time you light the candle. The candle when you feel it is needed, as the candle for your needs at the end of the incantation. Oh, ask the candle for your needs. I'm actually going to check this out. I want to smell it. I see sage. I see some type of seeds. I actually see a couple different types of sage, I think. That's beautiful. Thank you very much. That's gorgeous. I really like that it's a handmade candle and you can't just like go out and buy it. Oh, bite me. Put that right there. Here's another one. I think there's 3 more after this one. So we're almost done. Ooh, tarot cards. Yep, tarot cards. Tarot cards. I'm actually gonna. It's a smaller box. Okay, here's what the box looks like. It's a pretty blue box with little black swirly dudes in it. Oh, there are little flowers and stuff. Oh, cool. Like the pattern changes. Let's see what's inside. Or who is inside. Oh, here's another note. So we're going to read that right fast. Beauty enhancing statue. Ooh, it's a statue. This is a powerful beauty enhancing statue. A powerful spell has been placed upon this statue. Soon you will start noticing a change in your looks. You will start to look more healthy and vibrant. Your wrinkles will start to diminish. I don't think I have wrinkles, thank you. No, just kidding. I probably do. It's around my eyeballs. Wrinkle. Oh! This one, that's what the the pink candle's for. It says, I didn't even finish reading this. Your wrinkles will start to diminish. Your hair will be more shiny and your skin will start to glow. Light a pink candle and say this incantation 3 times while holding the statue in your hands. I am actually going to say this. I'm just holding the paper. It should not work. This is actually a really pretty incantation. Moonlight, starlight, let the if I can even say it right, let the wind carry your light. Let your glow cover my body. And let your shine cover every eye. Say it 3 times and concentrate on the parts that you want to change. Then say, moonshine, starlight. Shape and mold my body. As a rose is granted beauty. Let me blossom in your light. The light that brings me beauty. And grant me beauty 3 times 3. And then you repeat that 3 times. Place the statue down and light an incense as an offering to her. But what's her name? To her, does she not have a name? Now that the spell is complete, you may now use your statue. Rub it daily over the areas that you want to see a change. While doing so, focus on what you want changed and the outcome. You should start to see minimal results within the first week. And within 6 months of using it, you will start seeing optimal results. If you have any questions, she didn't give me a name. I hope she has a name on the statue. But that's the note. Am I still recording? Yes, I am still recording. Cool. Very nice. She's quite heavy. Put her like that and pull up another. I love this style. Now, typically fairies, when they want to be seen, they will show themselves in like a little smear of light or a little glowing ball, kind of like an orb, but far brighter. And it's like it'll dance around. It's adorable. They're so much fun. I know y'all probably think I'm weird, but that's okay. Ooh. Oh, she's beautiful. Kind of naked, so I'm gonna cover her chest area. But yeah, she's absolutely gorgeous. Can't see her boobs, I'm sorry. Thank you. She's beautiful. You're going to sit right on your little card thing. And I'm going to put your box over here. It needs to go in the trash. We'll do this one next. There's one more after this, I do believe, unless there's something small hiding from me. Nope. Okay. I think this is 2 different things. I'm not 100% sure. spirit animal. Oh, that's so cool. She sent me a spirit animal. Symbol of the appetite for life. Horse spirit animals are likely to represent your inner strength and driving force in life. A typical symbolism for the horse is of an animal representing the physical strength, vitality, but also your psychological and emotional abilities to go on in life. Now, that's actually, I know all about that. I've had actually really hard life. I lost almost 10 people in 6 years, friends and family. I almost died in the mix as well. Okay. Depending on what your spirit animal is, means what this spirit animal means to you. It could symbolize your ability to overcome obstacles in life and pursue your goals no matter what may stand in your way. Knowing that you have the power to change anything and everything you choose in your life. Understand that the wild freedom of the horse can be harnessed and used for your own benefit and for those around you. This understanding comes only when man and beast enter a silent contract, acknowledging mutable I can't spell, or I can't spell. I can't speak today. Mutual respect and awareness of responsibility of each other. She says, note, I was able to predict that your spirit animal is a horse. This is a great spirit animal to have because the horse is a powerful spirit animal that motivates you throughout your life. You have the drive. Now keep moving forward. Namaste. Namaste. And it is a absolutely gorgeous, if I can find where I put my knife. Oh, knife, knife. Do. Where'd it go? I will use machete. Yeah, I know, overkill, right? Just a little bit of tape, but it didn't want to break. So I didn't want to break my horsey. So there we go. He's beautiful too. That there. That over there. Oh, I found my knife. And we have one more box, and then I guess I'll do my outro and we can be done for the day. I hope, maybe. There should have been another box that was coming today, but I think I was put in my mailbox, maybe. I live in a trailer, yeah, but I like my trailer. I don't know what that says. Something collection. Another note. I like notes. Put that in there. Ooh, it's an Aphrodite statue. She is known as the goddess of beauty, love, pleasure, and protection. Procreation. Wow. Ugh. She will help guide you in all these areas of need and ensure that you will have a fruitful life. Oh my goodness me. A life filled with all the love and happiness you deserve. Aphrodite calls onto you, so listen to the words of the great goddess, who in ancient times was named Diana, Artemis, Ishtar, I didn't know she had this name. She was named Venus too. Freyja. I think I've heard that one. Whenever you have the need of her aid, assemble your Aphrodite statue in a secret place. At least once a month. Assemble. Especially at... Especially at the full of the moon. Know that her laws and love shall make you free, for no one can prevent your worship of her in your mind, heart, and spirit. Listen well, and you will come into her presence, and she shall teach you of the deep mysteries, powerful and ancient. Aphrodite requires no sacrifices or pain of your body, for she is the mother of all things, the creatrix. I think I said that right. Who made you out of all of her love, and the one who endures through all times. To use, place statue in front of you and conduct this bonding ritual. Place a red apple in front of her as an offering. Ooh, red apple. Light the red candle. Light a red candle and white and the 3 pink candles. Chant Aphrodite. Okay, cool. Are we still recording? Yeah, cool. Okay, this is the last item. And I'm gonna walk up to my my mailbox, and I am going to check for another package. But yeah. Yes, Aphrodite. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Subscribe. And as always, you have an amazing and beautiful day. Bye.